Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Leo de My Spanish Lesson y estoy aquí para enseñarte español. Hello guys! If you want to learn how to say the colors and how to make sentences with the colors in Spanish, stay here and watch this video. Watch it till the end because at the end of the video, I will teach you how to make phrases with the colors, with the article, with the verb to be. Okay? Are you ready, guys? If you are ready, let's start to learn the colors. So let's start with the first color in Spanish. Azul. Azul. Okay? Verde. Verde. Rojo. Rojo. Blanco. Blanco. Amarillo. Amarillo. Rosado. Rosado. Naranja. Naranja. Negro. Negro. Dorado. Dorado. Plateado. Plateado. Morado. Morado. Gris. Gris. Marrón. Marrón. Perfecto, chicos. All right, so we have now most of the colors in Spanish. Now I'm going to teach you the articles in Spanish. So we have, if you want to make a sentence, remember you have the structure is the article, the noun, the verb, and then if you can use an adjective, or in this case, we will use a color. Okay? So in Spanish we have, remember that the colors have to agree with the gender. If it is a female, or if it is a male, or neutral. You have, for example, azul is neutral. You can say, el libro es azul. But you can also say, la casa es azul. So, the book is blue. The house is blue. What happened here? The book is a masculine noun in Spanish. So that's why I say, el libro es azul. Casa is feminine in Spanish. So that's why I say, la casa es azul. Okay? So remember, some colors, if they are ending in O, like amarillo, if it is female, if it is masculine, you say amarillo. If it is feminine, then you will say amarilla. So remember that most of the time, O, so nouns ending in O are masculine, and noun ending in A are feminine. There are some exceptions, okay? There are some exceptions. So, let's continue there. So we have the article. We have el. El is masculine and singular. For example, el libro, the book. Then we have la is feminine and singular. So, la casa, the house, no? La casa. And then, if it is plural, if it is masculine and plural, then we use los. Example, los libros. So it's masculine and plural. And then, if it is feminine and plural, we use las. Example, las casas. Okay? So the same I have to do with the color. If the sentence is masculine, plural, the color needs to be masculine and plural. For example, los libros son amarillos. Las casas son amarillas. In this sentence, I'm using the verb to be, el verbo ser, okay? I'm using el verbo ser. Do you know how to conjugate el verbo ser? No problem at all. I'm here for you. Let me show you how to conjugate el verbo ser so that we make now full sentences with article, el verbo ser, and colors. Very good, guys. So, el verbo ser, we have yo soy, tú eres, él, ella, usted es, nosotros somos, vosotros sois, ellos, ellas, ustedes son. Okay? Very good. So we have everything now to make sentences in Spanish. You see how easy it is. Very good. Let's start with the first sentence. So let's start with, for example, amarillo. Let's make a sentence in plural now. Let's say, los plátanos son amarillos. Los plátanos son amarillos. Another sentence. La noche es negra. La noche es negra. La tienda es verde. La tienda es verde. La flor es blanca. La flor es blanca. El cielo es azul. El cielo es azul. Muy bien, chicos. So we have here a couple of sentences using the article, the verb to be, and the colors. Now, I'm going to show you two images, and you are going to make the sentences for me. Okay? But what you're gonna do, you leave it down here in the comments. You type it for me, these sentences, okay? But be careful if it is in singular, if it is in plural, if it is masculine or feminine. So type it for me down here and I will be more than happy to correct it for you. So that's all for today, guys. You see, very easy lesson. You now know your colors, okay? Ahora ya sabes los colores. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do it now. Like this video, click on the bell to get notification anytime I upload a video. I will be uploading videos twice a week, so you will be the first to know. So thank you very much, guys, and see you in the next video. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos en el próximo vídeo. Hasta luego. Hasta luego.